Liam and the Wolf. Once upon a time, in a peaceful valley nestled between rolling green hills, lived a young shepherd boy named Liam. His job was to watch over the village's fluffy white sheep, making sure they grazed safely in the sun. But sometimes, watching sheep could be a little bit boring. Liam loved to play tricks, and one sunny afternoon, a mischievous idea popped into his head. He took a deep breath and shouted with all his might, "Wolf! Wolf! A big, scary wolf is chasing the sheep!" His voice echoed through the valley. The villagers, hearing his cries, dropped their tools and rushed up the hill, worried and out of breath. They expected to see a fearsome wolf, but all they found was Liam, giggling. "There's no wolf," Liam laughed, pointing at their confused faces. The villagers were annoyed. "Liam, that's not funny," said one, but Liam just thought it was a great joke. The very next day, Liam decided to play the trick again. "Wolf! Wolf! Help, please! The wolf is here!" he yelled, louder than before. Again, the villagers came running, but their steps were slower this time. When they saw no wolf and heard Liam's laughter, they shook their heads. "We won't fall for that again," they muttered as they walked back to their work. Then, one evening, as the sun began to set and cast long shadows, a real, hungry wolf truly appeared. It crept silently towards the unsuspecting sheep. Liam's eyes grew wide with fear. "Wolf! Wolf! This time it's real! Please, someone help!" he screamed, his voice trembling. He shouted louder than he ever had before. But the villagers, remembering his tricks, simply sighed. "He's just joking again," they said, and nobody came. The wolf chased the sheep, and Liam learned a very hard lesson that day. If you lie, no one will believe you, even when you tell the truth.